Well, it's the day after Thanksgiving. It's 9:30 in the morning, and we pulled the bathtub off the left for the moment. I'll go back to that after we try to start the Golden Boy. We just put 2 quarts of oil in the tank. We made a, let's see, what in yoga, what's that position? A downward facing dog?
Downward dog, yeah.
Yeah, so we made a sideways facing funnel and got 2 quarts of oil into that tank. That should be enough to run it.
That's good.
Yeah, the pillars on the side. So we did a sideways facing funnel and got some oil in it. Gas tank is basically empty. We're going to put some gas in there. Plugs are out. Kevin, if you will stroke the guy with the plugs out, I'll try to catch a little spark so we can show we have spark. Let's see, where are we? Let's see, hang on, I gotta turn this.
That's all right. I gotta get my toes right so I don't pull a steam.
Okay, now don't be stroking that thing when I'm playing with this plug. Okay, so I should be able to catch this. Let me do a zoom in and see if we can actually catch a spark on tape. We don't have a lot of success in that. Go ahead and stroke her a little bit. Let's see what happens.
I'm trying.
Okay, I can see it, but
Okay.
it's really small and inside, so we're never going to catch it. Okay, so anyway, we have spark. Oh my goodness, look at the lining on this tank. Isn't that gorgeous? That is one of the prettiest linings I've ever seen in my life.
Okay, it's starting to loosen up. Good.
Oh, that thing's tight?
It's tight, but it's okay. The return is good.
Right.
I think that's gonna be easy to
Okay,
address.
we're gonna put some gas in it now and do gas flow and see how that goes. We'll be back in a minute.
Way back here to avoid hitting this.
This thing won't stop. The video's running away. I don't know what's. Damn it! Every time I zoom, it starts the video.
Huh.
I'm beginning to not really.
And we are recording.
Okay.
Want me to move this any closer?
No, this is good. I think I got the zoom set, so I got the whole bike.
Yeah, but it's pretty far away.
And this is the fun of putting gas in a custom gas tank bike. Real slow. All right, go ahead and stop that video. All right, first and foremost, I don't know if I'll include them, but we shot about 3 different little videos there because this new 16 has a switch that the older ones don't have, and when I put it in the tripod, it automatically started videotaping. So now I have to be really careful when I put this thing in my tripod because the clamp presses that button. So anyway, if I have included them, that's the reason. If I haven't, ignore everything I just said. In the meantime, this carb over here is overflowing, and we've had the bowl off and been checking the float assembly. We've done it twice so far, and we've had that bowl off. Right now, if you put it's not a good test because I only have 2 bolts holding this on, so it's going to leak up here. But go ahead and turn that on, and I'll show them the overflow. And there it goes, right there, the overflow. Okay. So we're going to take this bowl off again. We actually just replaced the gas needle valve. We're going to go in there and take a look for a 3rd time. Just try to figure out why that bowl won't seal the incoming gas. The other side's fine, thank you very much. This side just keeps leaking out the overflows. Just wanted to bring you up to speed. All right, it looks like we have a good seal on the gas needle valve over here now. And I guess we'll tie all these down again and get ready to try a start again. Okay, now you got soft shoes on, so
Yeah, I know.
we'll try a few, but I think
Yep.
it might be a hard boot thing. Okay, this is a cold start. This bike hasn't been started in I don't know how long. Definitely not here. We've got spark, we've got gas, we have compression, goodness knows. Oil's in the, got 2 quarts of oil in the tank. That should be more than enough to support the bike. And here we go. Now, yeah, if you kick it in, you gotta watch that shifter. You'll kick it into gear as you go.
I know. That's why my toe is pointed out.
Yeah, I'm watching that.
Yeah.
What do you got? Size 13s going there?
These 9s, baby.
Okay, now that's a few kicks, no choke.
Yep.
Let's try a choke on this left side. It's easy to reach.
Yep.
All
Alright. Choke's on.
Choke is on the left side. The right side is a separate choke. So let's see what happens. Oh, hard.
I like that.
I heard a pop.
Yep.
Should we try putting the choke on the right side
Yeah,
on?
might as well.
You got to reach way underneath from the
Yeah.
right side. It's facing.
Yeah.
I turned mine around. I actually was able
Yeah,
to turn it
yeah.
around.
Well, and you get those things where you push one and it's connected.
Oh yeah, but that's stock.
Yeah. What happened?
Yeah. All right.
It's 10.
Hold on for a second. Let's talk. We'll be right back. There's time for a commercial station break.
Should a light be flashing when you kick through?
Not really.
Okay.
Is something flashing?
No.
Only if the brake switch was stuck. And
Gotcha.
you might get the brake light,
Gotcha. Okay.
which is what was happening with the T120.
Right.
T20.
T20.
Whoa. We're gassing again. Look at what's underneath of it. It's an ocean.
Oh, geez.
Okay, so now we're coming out of this one. All right. Let's I think we're coming out of this one. Okay, well, we're stopping now. Got the other carb is now leaking gas. All right. Okay, so we have the gas control valve out of the right-hand carburetor right here. It's a nice unit. It comes out as a unit. Let's see if I can get over here. There you go. So you can see it there. And they're really clever. They've got a spring that holds the actual gas valve in, so it doesn't just fall out. So you can't lose it, which we think is funny as heck because we lost one. And what's really funny as heck is I just lost it. Right now on the floor below me somewhere is the little
Needle. I see it.
No, the little. That's the one we lost.
That's the one we lost.
Okay, good. That's good.
Yeah.
Now look for the little.
Spring.
No.
Wait a minute. Gasket.
Gasket.
There it is. I see it.
You sure you see it?
Yeah. I know
Oh,
what you're talking
good.
about now.
Okay, so we're on the plus side. We have an extra
That's right.
extra needle now. So we're going to take this apart and just take a look inside and see if there's anything that's sticky. We'll be back. All right, we are live. We're going to try again the right-hand carb. Took it apart, cleaned the gas needle valve, put it back together. It's not leaking now. Left one in the same situation a little while ago. Now they're both cleaned. They are both free. They are both feeling good. They're feeling and fondling wonderful. We're going to try a few more kicks here and see what happens. All we got out of the last effort, well, literally was one pop. One pop. We need more than one pop. We need a lot of pops. Kevin's
Right.
going to do a bunch, and then I might try a bunch, and then
No
we'll
choke, no
call
throttle.
it a day. One kicky wicky. No pops. No pops. One more kick and we'll turn on some choke.
Yep.
Oh,
pop, baby.
Oh my goodness, we got a pop.
All
You
right.
want choke?
Yeah, let's try
Let's
just
try one side.
one side here.
That's easy to reach.
Yep.
Okay. We're going to try it with one choke on. We got a pop. And another pop. No, no pipes. We have no pop. Hark! We got two pops.
She almost wanted to that time.
So we got one, then we got two. Go for three. All right. It's
Be
trying to.
careful of that gear shift lever. It grabbed my toe.
I know. It's trying to remember that it's a motorcycle. And we're starting to wake it up.
Yep.
It's been asleep for 10 years.
Rip Van Norton.
Rip Van Norton. I like that.
Come on, Flip.
We should name it. You want to try the other choke? Put them both on. Can you reach under there? The other choke is very difficult to reach. All right, two chokes on.
No throttle.
No throttle. And then try a little throttle.
Little throttle.
Yeah. All right. Let the master try.
There you go.
Yeah, the master Norton expert started the Norton Club. You know.
Yeah, now that I've got it all
Now
loosened
that
up for you.
All warmed up for
That was a warm-up act.
You're a good man. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Now this gas is down for on.
Mhm.
This
It's
gas
up for
is
up.
up for on.
Yep.
Lovely. I hate this throttle.
I know.
It is way too hard. If we get it running, we'll look at
Yeah.
the throttle.
She wants to. Getting there.
I'll tell you a secret.
Huh. Buy Japanese?
Step over here, I'll show you something that I think I'm doing that you're not.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you're kicking straight down.
Right. Well, I'm
Okay.
kicking through.
Are you kicking through?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay, never mind.
Yep. No, yeah. You taught me that trick before.
Never mind. Oh, good.
Yeah.
Then my work here on Earth is
That's right, it's done. Now, let's turn the choke off and see what happens.
That's about all my knee can take. I can give it about two more kicks.
Oh, God. Oh, it is way down there.
Yeah, it's really difficult to get to. Okay,
Mine's
mine's off.
off. Yeah.
Okay, chokes are off. I'm gonna give it maybe 2 or 3, then I gotta call it.
Yeah, and I'll give it 5 more, and we have it nothing. It's
The knee and
Yeah.
the knee and the groin
yeah.
working together.
Tell me about it.
Okay,
Right.
I'm done.
I'll give it 5 and we call it good.
Yeah, then we're gonna talk about some way to hook up a battery.
Yep.
Yeah, you're kicking through beautifully.
One more.
Okay, well, it was just a fun day.
Yeah.
We've got gas, we've got oil, we've got spark. God knows we've got compression. Now we just need energy.
We had 2 almost.
Yeah,
Just-
a couple, 3, maybe a total of 5 pops, which
Yeah.
means it's actually trying.
Yeah.
Now this bike is built to run without a battery, and unfortunately, when they did that, they didn't leave us leads to tie a battery into the system. So to get to the blue capacitor, which is your, let's call it the mini battery. It's not, but it's sort of a mini battery where we can hook up a DC battery to the system and run the bike on a battery to see if it'll start easier. I'm gonna have to do some serious research. I think I'm probably gonna end up lifting the seat just to see where the electronics are and how they're built. So that's where we are. We've got a bike that's theoretically ready to run. It gave us a few pops, and that's all we've got. And I'm gonna lift the seat off the whole, which means the whole tail section, and try to figure out the electrical system and put an auxiliary connector on so that we can hook a battery to it temporarily. So since we have a no starting bike here, why don't we go to your shop and work on another no starting bike?
Yeah, no, it starts. Now we gotta work on the lights first.
What? Oh, we're gonna work on
Yeah, we
that.
gotta put the LEDs up. We gotta pull the ballast and put the LEDs
Oh,
in.
that's, yeah, we're going to Kevin's shop to put new LED lights in the ceiling to get more light. Let me show you, I did all of these not too long. These are all LEDs in my shop. And let me tell you, they're wonderful.
Yeah.
They are absolutely wonderful because there's no such thing as too much light. And these really light this place up. And they're so inexpensive nowadays. I think
God,
maybe
yes.
$150 bought all these lights. And that is good money invested. Okay, so that's where we are. Your client's going to take that bike, isn't he?
Yeah, tomorrow, as is. It's how he wants it. Now I'm gonna start it today and tomorrow, just cause. But
Okay.
yep.
And after that, we'll let him ride it for a while.
Yep.
Mess with it for a while.
Mhm.
You know what? If we take it back,
Mm.
let's bring it here.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. So that'll be if the client takes the T20 and decides he wants more effort put into it, we'll bring it here and play with it here. That's where we are. We're going to call it a day here and go to Kevin's house and play household electrician.